Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I've just been playing with the new flat-wearable bender press, and the whole bar now is included with the whole opening for all the bits, but it also has a plate on the bottom here, and that plate's allowing me to bend all these forks and spoons. Actually really nice and flat. There's a little tiny dimple in the middle, but that was easily hammered out, and I got through probably 60 or 70 pieces, and I'm like, you know what, I should film this just to put it on the site. So this is my last pattern that I have left. It's from 1908. So I'm gonna flatten these out. I'm making bracelets right now, so flattening this side out, and I'll flatten this side out. So I'll do these last however many there are. So I'm just bringing it down. It comes with a steel block.
She said yes.
There's kind of a double tap down there. And we get in the front. And I've been just bringing it back here and then lowering the handle back so it's kind of straight. So we'll do that one. It comes with a steel block. This is one I got from my friend up the road, but it comes with this nice stamping block. Pretty sure it will reach. Yep, it will reach. Flip this over. So the only thing I can see with this, see as I start to bend this down, see the front of the spoon start to dip over. So this spot right here, see it's starting to dip there? It's gonna create a crease. And that should come out with the next press. But you do have a little dimple there, so I'm not sure if it hammers out, but I like using my bigger block. This block would be really nice for stamping. This one's got a little bit more size to it. I'm trying to get it to where just the tip is staying on the block, and you get one press, so that first drop has only gone that far, so it's not flat yet. So once you get past that first one, then you keep going until you get that second drop, and that's solid. And then scoot it forward, get that part nice and flat. See, it's still kind of curved, but I can fix that while I'm making the bracelets. just kind of figuring out what works best for you. Definitely going backwards on the spoons like this is better, because when I tried to do it spoon side up, grab a spoon here. When I tried doing it spoon side up, like normally I'll start back here with my hammer. So my thought was I'll start back there and then work my way forward like I normally would. But we get this ring here, and on some of the silverware that ring is actually cut down into it, to the piece. So this one turned out pretty good. So, but that's it for that. The bender press works awesome. I love it. Love the strength of it. And then if you flip it over, you've got the stamping block on this end. So that's awesome. Alright, so I hope you guys all have a great day, and make sure you keep making. If you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe. Also, click the bell and select all so you get all of our updated videos as soon as they come out.